Hello, creators. It is me, Lady L, and today I'm going to show you how to create a scarcity counter. Okay, it could be for anything. Scarcity means that there's only a certain amount left. I'm going to show you very simple, very easy how to do that. So, the first thing you want to do is you want to click on settings over here. Once you go into settings, now I'm just clicking on stuff. Once you go into settings, you're going to go over here to custom values and you're going to create a new custom value. Okay. And you're going to name this whatever you want to. So I'm just going to say sample countdown. Okay. I did sample underscore countdown. You can name it whatever you want to. And then the value, I'm just going to put 10. Okay. And I'm going to say create. That's the only thing you need to do on that side when creating custom value. And just remember whatever you name the custom value. So from here, the second part, what you're going to need to do is that you're going to need to go over here and do an automation. I'm going to create one from scratch. Okay. And so basically you're going to set up a trigger. Okay. So on the trigger, I'm going to have it when someone purchased something or yeah, when someone purchased something. You can do it on a form submission, whatever you want to do, but I'm just going to do it with somebody purchase something. Okay. Order or payment. Okay. Give me just 1 second. I'm going to do payment receive. I'm going to select the product real quick. Global product is, and let's just say it's, let me put it right quick. I'm just going to say spring cohort. Okay. And we're going to say product status is success and save. Okay. So once it says success in Stripe, it's going to go through this process. Here, we're going to do a math operation. So just math operation. We're going to say custom field. We're going to say custom value. Okay. So we're going to say the custom value. And whatever we named the custom value, I think I named it sample countdown. So whatever you name your custom value. So we're going to subtract 1. Once we subtract 1, we're going to update the field. And we're just going to find the one that says sample. Let me find it right quick. Sample countdown. Okay. And you're going to press save. Okay. So then we're going to do this. So if I'm going to do an if or else statement. And then so it's going to be my custom value. If my custom value. And let's go to sample countdown real quick. If it is 0. Okay. I want it to send me an internal notification. And it's going to be SMS. You can select I'm just going to say all users, whatever. So it's just going to say username. Okay. Please replace with waiting list form. Because I'm going to replace it with a waiting list form or whatever. And then if the thing is 0 in the custom value, we're going to update the custom value. And the new value are going to say, there are blah, blah, blah. So we're going to say no more. It's going to say no more seats because it's going to say no more seats. We're going to go to the custom value, which should be sample countdown. Okay. And then it should say no more. Okay. No more. I'm going to press save. Okay. Then we're going to say publish. I'm going to leave this here. All right. See that? And I'm going to say sample countdown. So I know what it is when we when we test it out. Okay. So here we go. We're going to go back to the workflows there. Once we go back to the workflows, I'm just going to do something real basic. I'm going to create a basic funnel real quick. We're just going to create it from blank. So I'm just going to call this sample countdown. Okay. Okay. and add page. I'll say sample countdown, and we'll just label this sample countdown. Okay, so on the products up here, add products, spring cohort. Okay, yada yada yada. We'll put the product on there that I have, right? So on this stage right here, I'm gonna create this blank, and then I'm just gonna make a basic page right here. Headlines. Just gonna say there are custom values. Sample countdown. Oh, there we go. There are however many spots left. And here, I'm just gonna put this in red, like so. And then just like I would anything else, we'll do a one order form. So we'll do add order form. Okay, one step order form, yada yada yada. And we'll press save. Okay, update. And this is a sample so you guys can see it. I'm just gonna connect it to we'll do D Lady Hell. Okay, so we'll have it connected to that. Okay, sample countdown page. Now what we're gonna do, I guess I haven't updated yet. Did I publish this? Publish. Okay. All right. And since the start, yada yada yada. Hold on. Save. Oh well, I need to we'll put on the other page. I'll just put on create displays right now, and I ain't gotta worry about this. So we'll change it. Oh, what? Oh, hold on. Let's fix that right quick. Edit. Okay, here. We're gonna go to the custom value and then sample. There we go. They always says save, update, publish, just like so. Custom values. Why is it looking like that? It should have a number. There you go. I'm like, that should have a number. Maybe I didn't press save. All right, there we go. So now you say, oh, it's 10 spots left. Okay. So Once they go through and fill this out and everything, I'm just gonna put it in the. I'm just gonna run my name through the automation real quick, and okay, okay, and I'm just gonna add myself to this automation as if we done went through the process. So I'm just gonna say add workflow sample. Should be like sample countdown. Okay, and now, and we're just gonna say add. Okay, now that it has added us into the sample countdown there, we should now be able to go over here, and it should say like, there you go. It's 9 spots left. So anytime somebody hit that particular automation, it's going to update this and it's going to go down to 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then when it get to the end, it'll let me know. And then it'll change the wording there from there's 0 spot, there's 9 spots left to there's no spots left. Okay. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to update the custom value, and I'm going to add myself to the thing again. Okay, I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna go to the custom value. Once I go to the custom value, I'm gonna go sample countdown. Okay, and this time I'm gonna put this value here 0. Okay, and I'm gonna update. Okay, so now we're at 0. So now since it's at 0, if anybody goes through here, that's where it's going to send me that automation. It's going to change. It's going to change it. Okay. So just for example, all right, I'm going to resend myself through this automation, and then it's going to change that word over there. So I'm going to go here, sample countdown, and we're going to say now, add. Okay. So now that I just went through that again, this is going to change. This value is going to change. And it should say there are no more spots left. Okay. So there are no more spots left. First it was all this amount, but when that last person goes through that thing, it's going to say there are no more spots. Okay. There's no more spots left. And so it update that. And also now should have sent me a, like a text message or something. I don't know which text message it sent it to, but it'll send me a text message saying, hey, yeah, it just sent it to my Google Voice or whatever, but it'll send me a text message saying, "Hey, Lady Hale, you know, oh, that's when it's at 1. It'll send me a message, but it'll send me a message saying, "Hey, you need to go update that." Yada yada yada. Okay, so that's how it. So that's how it works. Okay, and that's how you create um, a scarcity thing. Okay, have a great day. Hope that helps.